Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to turn off message requests on Discord. So first, what you'd want to do is go to your user settings, which is located on the lower left corner of your screen besides the mute and deafen button. So click on this logo right here. Once you've clicked on that, you'll be redirected here, and click on privacy and safety under profile section. And once you're here, just scroll down below and you'll see all these options. But once you're here on the server privacy default, so as you can see, there's an option here to allow direct messages from server members and enable message requests from server members you may not know. If you want to turn off the message requests from server members you may not know, you just need to click on here and click on yes, and it's now turned off. But if you want to turn off the direct messages from server members also, you could just turn this off too, and both of them will be blocked out. But if you just want to turn off the message requests, you could just click on that. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.